How to recover Deepseek account password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you recover Deepseek account's password. If you have forgotten your password and couldn't log into your account, here's how you can reset your password. First of all, open your Deepseek application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. If you have already done it, you will not be able to see this option. Simply tap on the agree button if you see this pop-up. By doing so, you will be taken to this login interface. Here you will need to enter your credentials. Since we have forgotten our password, so you will need to tap on this forgot password link just below the login button. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to enter your email address associated to your account. Once after entering your email address, now you will need to tap on the send code button at the right side, and then you will be able to see this pop-up. Here you will need to solve this puzzle, and after successful verification, a code will be sent to your email address. Now you will need to wait for the code from Deepseek. Once you receive the code from Deepseek, you will need to enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, tap on the continue button right here. After that, now you can reset your password. Create a new password for your account. Tap on the new password box and then enter your new password. Now after entering the new password, you will need to re-enter the same password in the second box in order to confirm. Tap on the second box and enter the same password. Now after entering the same password in both these boxes, now tap on the reset password button at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds. Now you have successfully reset your password. Now in order to log into your account, use your credentials here. Tap on the email box and enter your email address here. Now enter your password in this field. Make sure to enter the currently created password. You may also tap on the I button at the right side and reveal to check whether you have entered it correctly or not. And once after entering these credentials, tap on the little circle that says I have read, consent and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, tap on the login button and wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see you have successfully logged into your account. So this is how you can recover your Deepseek account password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.